this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Avalon bottom-loading water cooler is the perfect choice for your home or office needs. The elegant design on our bottom-loading cooler features a hidden cabinet that can hold a 3 or 5 gallon water bottle. Avalon allows you to enjoy your hot beverages from home while still keeping your children safe with our built-in safety button. For energy savings and safety, we have individual switches to control your hot and cold water needs with easy-to-reach switches on the back of your cooler. The Avalon Ozone feature is controlled by a switch on the back of your cooler and allows you to run a self-cleaning function to prevent unwanted bacteria or mineral buildup in your hot and cold water tanks. With high-grade stainless steel water tanks and a high-capacity compressor, the Avalon build quality is second to none. Whether for your home or your office, the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler will be with you for many years to come.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.